Good morning, y'all. All right, so it's Christmas Eve. I'm just making a little something. Happy holidays. I probably will run into town, run a few errands. I need to go pick up some packages, and then that's gonna be it. So, I'm Mocha. Welcome to my channel. I am kind of sort of getting settled in a new place, so I guess I'll multitask and show y'all a little bit. Hold on. Y'all know I got these from Woolworths if you watched my last video. And this is the living room space / kitchen space. This is the progress that I've made. These are the pictures that still need to be hung up, which I'm gonna put up there somewhere. I found that matching pillow when I went back to Woolworths because it matched the curtains. I was like, I gotta get it. All right, so this is the kitchen so far. Like I said, still getting set up. And I still ain't got no stove. And y'all, I don't even think I'm gonna get one. Cause shout out to the hot plate. I mean, this seems to be working just fine. It's usually just me. Like, I don't even know if I'm gonna get a stove at this point. If I do, it'll probably just be for aesthetics. Okay. Oh, finally got me some internet. Thank you. That's my aunt's bar while she's visiting. Those are my essential oils and my smell good stuff, like my resins and dried herbs like lavender and all those things. Little record stuff that I ain't figured out what to do with yet, basically. Boop, 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 boop. It's my office space. Y'all see me making videos. That's probably the backdrop that you'll be seeing. Oh, and shout out to my mama because she sent me the sauna. This is my Christmas gift from my mother, and I love it. I've been using it every day since I got it. So this is a sauna steamer. I'll link it below. And so basically you can use it to just kind of help your body detox and things like that. Yep, and that's the current vibe of the living room. So that room's occupied, and then my room is still a hot mess. Yeah. Still getting my little balcony area sorted out, but we get somewhere. All right, let's skedaddle. So I'm finna throw on some shoes, head into town, and just take y'all with me for today. All right, peoples, we have made it into Kingston. I'm anticipating it for it to take a little while longer to get to places, being it the holiday season and all. I don't know if I'm going through half a tree or not. I don't know what they got going on. Can I tackle half a tree today? I'm trying to think of any reason I got to go through there. Oh yeah, okay. Definitely gotta go to half a tree today. Gotta catch this light, y'all. Hold on. Skirt. Hold on, lady. Hold on. So, I went to the Kingston Dub Club the other night. I'll tell y'all about that. I posted a video as well. I couldn't monetize that video either because of all the music, but I tried to take the music out and it just messed up the video. So I said, you know what? I'll just chop this one up to the game. I'll just let this be my little free something for the peoples. You know, it's my holiday gift to you all. Yeah, so I went to Le Dub Club the other night, the Kingston Dub Club. So a dub club is like, from what I understand, I'm not an expert. That was my first time going. I had heard of it. I never really made it a mission to find out about it, but that was my first time going, and I probably only went because my aunt wanted to go, and I wanted to take her there. So, but apparently, I think it's kind of like, you know, a spot where you'll hear like mostly like roots reggae, and you know, a lot of dance hall, like, you know, just really Jamaican based music. I guess, like, you know, if you watch the video, I'll post it in the link. If you watch it, you kind of get a vibe for like what it is. But I could imagine, like, probably like back in the day, like that was like, you know, a real, you know, real hype spot for me. And again, this is just based off my assumption. It looks really tourist like right now, which y'all know I don't really care for them environments, but somebody mad. Hold on, y'all. We got eavesdrop on their conversation. I don't know what we talking about. Anyway, seems really, I don't want to say it's tourist centric, but you know, it was a heavy tourist crowd there. Maybe it's because of the holiday season. A lot of people are here. I don't know. Maybe it's because of that time of the year. Who knows? I don't know. But that's what it felt like. So I don't know where one would go for like a more non-tourist experience. I mean, you can't escape it totally because, you know, it's Jamaica, and a lot of people identify Jamaica as a tourist location, but I don't know if you know of like a more, you know, non-touristy dub club vibe spot place that I'll be able to visit. That would be great. I'd appreciate that. Ooh, I'm going to pick up some packages, y'all, and like I expected, it's packed, chock full of people. Is there somewhere to park up here? I think so. Let's see if we can find somewhere to park. Okay. I'm gonna go up here. These places is always packed. I remember last time, I don't know why I keep doing this actually. Last time it was, so parking up here, what are you? Anyways, it's not too crowded. It was a hot mess. Like, baby, it was a line wrapped around this building. People trying to pick up their packages. And I was trying to come here like early. Like, I wanted to be here as soon as they open because I can't stay in lines. And baby, Jamaica know would be lining. Lines be everywhere. If Jamaica ain't got nothing else, it's gonna have a line. But I don't think it's too bad today. But yeah, it took a real long time to just get these packages. So hopefully I won't have that experience. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna put on some lip gloss. Boy, I'm slowly getting back, y'all. Slowly but surely. I mean, don't make me don't never mind, but yeah. Anyways, let me go beat this person that just pulled up in front of me in the line, y'all. Hold on. Whew. All right, y'all. So we just got out of there. I got my packages. Let's see what I done got for overseas now. Some of these things are like packages that I receive to like promote and stuff like that. So mostly like on TikTok. But this here I ordered for myself. So these are syrups, coffee syrups. So yeah, I wanted some like particular flavors to start making my drinks and stuff at home with. Jamaica has some coffee syrups, but I wanted, sometimes they don't have the flavors and stuff that I've been looking for. And This I ordered for myself. Oh, I can't open it. Alright, so that's what it comes in. I'll post a link to these, but I got a coffee butter syrup. Now, I actually tried to make me some syrup, but it didn't taste. It didn't taste right. So I was like, let me just go ahead and just order some so I can have what I like. Alright, that's the coffee syrup. This is the caramel apple butter syrup. And then I got some lavender syrup. And it just started raining, boo. Anyways, and then the other stuff is some products that I have to promote, which y'all may or may not see these. Alright, we heading out now. I got these things. So I needed some electrolyte powder for when I was doing my fast. And I'll probably be fasting regularly, probably not as long, but it's also I'll be doing on that I'll be promoting the product I'll be promoting. So I was like, I need these. Oh, and I can promote these. And I ain't opened other stuff yet, but anywho, all right, let's see if we can tackle this road. Thank you, large person. Crowded. I don't know. I was just anticipating like blocked up traffic everywhere. Maybe not. Let me stop before it happened. They still got the circus still set up. How long is the circus supposed to be here? Are they gonna be here the whole time? Does anybody know? Oh, they still. From November 22nd to what is it, indefinitely? Oh man, y'all can't see. Hurry up and show the sign before I have to move. Oh gosh, advertisements. I don't know. It said from November 22nd. So it's been here at least a month now. Oh well. I actually think I want a shrimp patty, but I want it from Devon House. I went to Juicy's and I asked for shrimp patty, but they didn't have any, so I would enjoy a patty right now, I think. Yeah. I would. I do want a beef and cheese patty, but I don't know, my intestinal situation has not been enjoying and been liking the cheese. My stomach has not been responding well to it, so I'm gonna just try and do the shrimp. Yeah. Oh, and I need to get a water refill, so y'all probably see me do that today. Okay, we got some errands, we got little things we can do. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get over there in the Devon House because, as y'all can see, the cars is lined up. I'm gonna go handle my other business and then try and come back this way. Is he? Oh gosh. Sorry y'all, hold on. I'm gonna try and go back and handle my other business. And then come back on the side where the house is, so I can just skirt on in there. If I still have a taste for a shrimp patty. I don't know what I be thinking sometimes. I be forgetting, like, I don't know why I decided to come through like the little parking lot entrance, because everybody's trying to find somewhere to park, whereas I could have just kept going little halfway tree. I just probably went straight into the place that I was trying to go. I just don't be thinking sometimes. All right, well. As you can see, like, I don't know why I came through this way. I still ended up having to come back out on the road because I can't even get through that little, whatever that is, makeshift road. All right, but okay. I get through. Yeah, all the vendors is out. Come on now, man. Why you ain't just let me pass? Instead of going to do all of this. What was the reason for that? Anyways. Alright. Let's see what we can do. We got that spot. I hear that. Come on. They go Payless, y'all. Is Payless still open where y'all at? Y'all still got Payless shoes? They still out here in Jamaica. And Lee's 5th Avenue. A big Digicel. Yeah. I'm finna run back into Woolworths real quick. Take this hot plate back. Cause I had got this one and then I had went to another store and it was like a little nicer, and so I was like, I'm just take this back, but I had already left the area, so I'm just not bringing it back today. I think I let this receipt stay in my purse too long. Hopefully they can still see it. They don't give me no issue. All right, it's right there. Benny Costa 2-burner hot plate. Ooh, Lord. Okay, I took that back in the Woolworths. I saw the next little pillow that matches my curtain, so now I have two. I don't know, I guess they just like pull stuff out bit by bit. I should have asked them the first time I seen these if they had any more. But now I got two matching pillows, so I'm gonna put these on my couch because they match my curtain. And then I got me like a little fan thingy. I don't really use the AC. One, for the bill, and two, I just like these better. Like, I prefer my air to be directly on me. Alright, so got a few more errands to run. My aunt just texted me that she wanted some leave-in conditioner, so I'm probably gonna go over here. I didn't see, I probably should have just got some in Woolworths, but yeah, I'm gonna go over here to Fontana, give me a little snacky snack, and get her some leave-in conditioner. And then she wants some actual groceries. So, and then I'm heading back up, child. Alright, about to attempt to go into this little Fontana Plaza. If it ain't crowded and if it's some parking spaces. Suspected. I think I come bottle with Fontana today, man. I'm gonna try going here doing a little loop-de-loop. If I don't find a parking spot in my first little circle around, I'm going about my business. easier to be on foot in these areas sometimes, because no Fontana today. And I did wait till traffic started coming. All right. Nah, man, I cannot. Okay. Actually. I'm gonna go to, what's his name? Devon House. Get my little patty thing. I hope it ain't packed up in here either, but who knows? There go the police, y'all. If you think me a ticket, okay. Oof. I don't know if I was supposed to U-turn right there or not. Yeah, I think we got lucky that time. Okay. Is this Devon's house? No, it's not. Alright. There's no Pika. It's an apartment building. Alright, I think. Okay. Oh Lord. Alright, we are at Devon's house. Just want to give me a little shrimp patty, something. And I get some ice cream. Just park on right here. Go on if you want. No shrimp patty, so I got chicken patty and a cinnamon roll. Now I'm gonna go get my ice cream. Ice cream is secured. Neither one of them had what I want and what I came over here for, so. Doggone it. No shrimp patty, no strawberry cheesecake ice cream, so crunchy munchy it is. And chicken patty it is. This is my first meal of the day too. I'm eating this first because I don't want it to melt. Anyways. I could have avoided coming to Devon House, but I was really wanting a shrimp patty. So, anyways. Until next time, I guess. Alright, these are the Devon House patties. I think the only patty I ever had from Devon House was a shrimp patty. And so that's what I was actually coming out for. So, I don't remember how this compares to like the more chain restaurants like Juicy or Tasties. It's a big old patty. It's hot. I thought it would cool off by now. I like the crust. These have like more like the pillowy type crust. The ones I be getting from the other place would be like a little crunchy. I'm like, oh, it'd be too flaky. I like it. It tastes like a better quality patty. I think this is like $500. I think the ones that Juicy. They're 200 something, ain't they? Or 180, 200. I don't remember. All right, this is my little snacky snack, and I gotta still go get a few groceries. You literally just be on the road all day when you do stuff. I don't even know what time it is. Anyways, let's go to the grocery store. I'm in General Foods right now getting a few groceries. I just got a sample of some sorrel cheesecake. I'm excited to try this. I'm gonna try this right now. Ladies and gents, I've been on the road all day. Y'all, how long we been out here? It's been at least 6 hours. I know. It's almost 4. I think I left at like 10, about 6 hours. Just a few simple errands. Whew. All right, so the last stop was to get some eggs, which I was trying to get a dozen, but this is the last bit of eggs they had on the shelf. So, anyways, and then my other groceries in the back. Yeah. All right, so happy holidays, y'all. My little hair thing that came off. happy holidays. See y'all again on the next video. I hope it's a joyous and celebrative and wonderful occasion with you and your family. Big up if you're watching from Jamaica. Or yeah, you know. Anyways. So, see y'all later. Thanks for watching. If you need something to do during the holiday season, you get bored, I'll tag the playlist in the description and on the video so you can binge watch some of my videos. You know what I'm saying? That'll be lovely. Just me and my random outings out in Jamaica. All right, so see y'all later. Happy holidays. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I didn't even plan anything really. So yeah, we're gonna wing it. So happy holidays, y'all.